And it's two crucial goals here this afternoon to ensure that Cavaliers book another place in our Premier League final. So how are you feeling this afternoon?
Well, first and foremost, I want to say thanks to the Lord. If it was for Him, we wouldn't be out here doing this. We love football, so every time we come out here, we deliver. It was a good performance from the team. We did well.
Your thought on your performance and your goals here today?
Well, it was a good performance from me. I work on everything in training and we come out here and deliver. So that I have to thank myself for that.
Last time I spoke to you, you said you're aiming for 25 goals for this season. How much are you on right now?
I'm at 19 right now.
19 in the league. Well, how much are you on in the league?
Overall, 21.
21?
Yeah.
So 4 in the final?
Yeah, I think so. Let's see.
So you feel for the retake the lead, Javante retake the lead early and you grab a double yourself just as easy to leave this team, just tell me your feel.
Well, Javante is my friend. He's a good player. I really like him. But I'm on the top too long. I wasn't getting any challenge, so I get a challenge today and I have to come out here and I have to deliver. So.
Question, I'm going to the games. Does the leading goal scorer, does it play anything on mind?
No. As I say, I come out here and I fight with this team. This team is a good team and I love this team. The best team I ever played for. So I want to win trophy with this team. This team is a great team and I love the spirit of the guys.
So you're saying when the second goal went in the back of your head, like, you didn't say yes?
No.
I'm talking about winning trophy. You have a big game ahead of you against the Mount Pleasant team. Looking to really get one over the Mount Pleasant team. I think they defeated it twice this season.
Yeah, well, as I said, Mount Pleasant is a very good team. We have to give them a good one for that. But, every time I go out there, we want to win. This team is a winning team, so every time I go out there, we want to win. Yeah, thanks.